home to find this on the porch. Let's go check it out, see what's in it. You can see I've not even cut the tape on the outside of the box yet to let you know what it is. So yeah. If y'all not checked out the latest video of Walmart prank, oh, y'all gotta check that out. And that's going to continue on, by the way, just to let you know. Because I think there's a lot of potential in that. All right. What do you got? Oh, sweet. Some big box. The Saramonic Blink 500 Pro. I'm super excited about this. All right. Let's see. There's so much I can do with this. So I hope it is definitely worth it. And like I said, you guys can see I am like unboxing it right in front of you. I've not even been in this thing yet. So honestly, I hope it works. Man. All right. So supposedly it's got receiver and 2 channels, but you can kind of see some of the features on it. I had a Saramonic on my GoPro 4 and it plugged right into the GoPro 4 and it was pretty nice. Like, I can't complain. The sound was very good on it. So that's kind of what made me purchase this over like the DJI or the Rode, where the Rode was just like 1 channel. So I didn't want to have to buy 2 different channels on, or 2 different like transmitters, stuff like that, to actually get communication between 2 microphones. So that's one reason why I went with the Saramonic versus the DJI. So we'll see. Fingers crossed. Here's the other side. Nothing on that side. So let's go ahead and pull it out of the box. Maybe. Alright. Saramonic. Nice little box. It's kind of got the magnets on the side. So when I unfold it, this is what we're looking at. Okay, all right, I see you. Little Ziploc bag here. Again, good old directions. So you guys have to read these, follow these like you would. Anything else, I definitely recommend following the directions. But you know what I'm excited about? Saramonic stickers. Put them on my computer right above my QRL and my GoPro stickers. All right, would y'all look at this? That's nice. That's nice. Ooh, that is a lot of foam in there. Okay, I guess the charger's in the bottom. So pulling this out, we'll get back to this in a second. Let's check out what's in the box. All right, so this comes in the bottom. Let's see what this is. Okay, I see a little, what they call them, cattail or whatever. And then a lot of extra cable. Okay, like a lavalier cords. Ooh. It's like a eruption of cords here. Let's see. Man, got a lot. All right, that's all that's in the box. Trash it. Oh, I gotta get my cat for here. All right, so nothing else in the box. Let's get rid of this box. That's a pretty nifty little box. It's magnetic, so when you fold it over, it does attach. I think iPhones or something like that. Fancy. Look at y'all. I'm telling you. All right, you can see the eruption of cords here. Like that's a lot of cords. That's a lot of cords. So I'm sure we'll figure out what they all go to here shortly. All right, Saramonic. Let's go ahead and unzip this bad boy. It says sound remarkable. Unzipping. And I'll probably have to break this into 2 videos. One on showing you actually how to use it versus one just kind of unboxing it. So I have to use it a little while. And of course, bam, we got a box, a case, a box. What do you know? Like, do you expect anything less? All right, so let's pull this box out of the case from the box. Let's get rid of that. I'm sure I'll go back to that. All right. Now this is kind of hard plastic. So we see this kind of maybe a charging indicator on the front. It's got the 5 volt, 1.5 volts on the back. So it's pretty solid. Like I can't pull it open. So it's secure now. Like it's not going to come open in your bag or nothing like that. So let me try to figure out how to open this thing. All right, so I'm pushing the button in. So push that button in right there and lift it. So it looks like receiver, transmitter, transmitter. It's kind of like a little piece of rubber here for each one of them. And this doesn't come out. Like that's secure. So you don't have to worry about that coming out. Let me just kind of pull one out. Kind of show you. All right, so we got a connector here. An aux in. A set, a charger. Looks like a hotspot or Wi-Fi, and then a mute. So that's pretty small. Like it's got a little clip on it. All right, so that's one of the transmitters. So let's look at the receiver here. So the receiver, it has a 5 volt. It kind of looks like the rest of them actually. So I don't know. It looks like it's automatically charging when it's in the box. Because I didn't cut any of these lights on. Now when I put it in there, they automatically cut on. Actually, let me cut this light off. So you can see as I pull it out. And drop it back in. Again, pull it out. The light goes off. Put it back in. It comes on. So transmitter, receiver. Sorry, but I'm colorblind. But I think these are red, which, according to everything else, when it turns green, they're fully charged. I don't know. But all in all, pretty nicely built. Secure little case. Not going to complain about that. I mean, so far, I'd say I'm pretty pleased. And then if we're going to look at the wiring, honestly, I don't know, a TPPS versus a TPS. So you can kind of see the difference in the cords, whatever they are, but that's what they are. And then here's another one. Put my finger behind them. Hopefully it focuses. So this one got the 2 rings. This one has the 3 rings. So we got a 2 ring. We got a 3 ring. Here's the charger. So if you're going to charge each individual receiver, it's a mini. So let me go ahead and turn this up. It's a mini. But if you're going to charge the whole unit, it's a USB-C. There's your little wind muffs, and there's your lavaliers. They kind of got a little wind muff on them already. I don't know. They come with a 2-ring. A 2-ring. So you guys can figure that out. But like I said, I will continue this on another video. I just want to kind of show you the unboxing of everything today. Alright, so I'm actually recording with the Saramonic wireless mic right now. So this is straight attached to me, and the receiver is going into the audio plug on the GoPro 10. So we're going to see how it sounds. In just a second, I'm going to cut this off and I'm going to come back with a lavalier attached. Stay tuned. GoPro stop capture. Alright, so now you see that I've actually attached a lavalier. So you can tell me the difference on the sound. Hopefully the GoPro is picking up the sound, because I have the line run straight into the, I guess, the transmitter, which is going to the receiver from the lavalier mic. So this just a test, and I will see how it picks up. GoPro stop capture. You know what? As I was starting to put all my stuff back together, I realized something. I know I got a mess here, but that's from me filming earlier. As I put the receivers back in their little case and closed the door, I'm thinking, okay, well, I need to pack the lavalier plus the dead cats along with the proper GoPro connection with the TTPS or whatever it is into one little area, so that way I have them. So I put the Saramonics back in its case and realized, where the heck am I gonna put all this stuff? Like Saramonic, you probably need to make, that's just one. Oh yeah, here's the other one. So let me pack the other one and close it. Bruh, not gonna work. So I would suggest maybe Saramonic come up with a bigger case that would actually hold the wiring for each one of them, because it's not going to fit inside this little case. I don't know, maybe a downfall already, but I'm definitely loving the sound. You guys heard the difference between the Saramonic and the regular GoPro output or the computer. So definitely quality's there. I like it, but storage, it's not going to work. Like, you can't fit it in a case. So keep watching. Let's see what else I figure out. Alright, so what you're seeing now and hearing now is coming straight from the GoPro 8 with the Media Mod with the Saramonic Blink 500 transmitter and receiver right here in my pocket. I had the lavalier right into my helmet, and there's the transmitter. I just put it in my pocket for now so y'all can get a quick little idea of what's going on. So let's go for a ride and see what you think. It's got the wind muff on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my 10. So this way I have the purple Panda, the GoPro mic adapter. It goes into the 10. Purple Panda's in my helmet, And then I had the lavalier from the Blink Saramonic 500 into my helmet as well. So I got 2 mics in there. So this way my videos are always in sync regardless of where I put the 8 on the bike. I can put that on somebody else's bike, and because we got 2 transmitters, I can actually give one of them the transmitters and kind of have them put it in their helmet, and they're transmitting right into your 8, even if you got the 8 on your bike or their bike or whatever. So you're getting the voice from 2 people. You just gotta know when one is talking and one is not. Alright, let's go get y'all some footage. Oh, yeah, we may have some issues here. Nah, it's gonna be good. Good idea. So the other day I took my baffle out of my M4 and I kind of regret it. So if it's a little loud, I do apologize. Let's roll. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Visor's up right now. I'll close it once we get up here. Alright. So to get you some sound going on here, so I'm doing about 45. My shielded down. I got a wind muff on the Saramonic lavalier in my helmet, so you guys can kind of judge for yourself how well it's doing filtering the wind. And coming up here soon, I've got my second product review, so y'all stay tuned to find out what it is, where to get it. Alright gang, that's it. That is the field test for the Saramonic Blink 500 on the GoPro 8 Media mod. And if you got any questions, concern, put them out the bottom and I will definitely get back with you, answering anything I can help you with. So until then, see ya.